this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2024 GMC Sierra. It's available in no less than 8, count them, 8 trim levels. Starts with the Pro, which I find is interesting because, Toyota has a Pro model in the Tundra. Mm-hmm. But anyway, we're talking about the Sierra here. This is the pickup truck. Starts with the Pro, goes to the SLE, then to the Elevation, then the SLT, the AT4, the AT4X,
sure. Good morning.
The Denali, and the Denali Ultimate. So if you can't find a trim level, then you need to go to somebody else because they got 8 of them.
You get a bunch.
The review trim level is the 1500 Denali Ultimate Diesel Crew Cab with the short box. You can't even get that on one line.
No.
This is called a standard pickup truck, according to your U.S. government. Passengers and driver, 5 altogether. The Pro will seat 6 with the front bench. Understand that the Pro is the work truck.
Okay.
In some levels, they call it the WT.
Oh, yeah.
The work truck. Work truck. All right. That's the stripper model in our language.
I like stripper better than work truck.
Why don't they just name it that? And put
many letters.
And put that girl that does one of those poses with their legs.
Oh yeah, like you see
on the back of the mud flaps.
Yeah.
On the back of mud flaps.
That's what
That's an actual girl of silhouette of an actual girl.
Okay.
I read that somewhere.
so I've heard, huh?
God.
Back to the review.
All right. No changes, really, to speak of from last model year. The options include 3 cabs, a regular, a double, and a crew. 3 beds, depending on the cab, and 4 engines.
Wow.
That's a
variety.
That's like 10
different things that you can get. Here's the deal. If you're going to spend $80,000, or in this case, $85,000 on a truck, order it. Mm-hmm. That way, if you want a different rear axle in there with different gear ratios, you can get that. If you whatever you want, order it the way that you want it because you're spending $85,000. Mm-hmm. Okay. Exterior features. This is a gargantuan half-ton pickup truck that will probably not fit in anybody's garage. So take that into consideration.
Yeah, huge.
This would be one of those deals where you'd want to go ahead and have a carport made in front of the garage because it ain't fitting in the garage. Massive chrome grille with a hockey stick side slathering on there. Daytime running lights on it. Also kind of mirrors that hockey stick thing. We had a huge 20-inch smoky chrome wheel option. Retractable running boards is a nice feature, what I liked. The subtle body side sculpting, I like that. I also enjoyed the multi Pro tailgate that comes with the Denali Ultimate trim. So they've included that. Used to be $10,000. I don't know how much the thing cost. A lot of money to have that multi-pro, but that's the way to go with that tailgate.
Absolutely.
What could use improvement? I don't know. They've thrown the kitchen sink at this thing. You could probably order that too. Interior highlights: well laid out dash with conservative instrument cluster pod. Big infotainment screen now that's easy to maneuver through. Top-notch leather seating with adjustability. Big shift knob on the console. Takes up too much room. Period.
Okay.
Gobs of cubbies and storage throughout the cabin. What I liked about it, the attention to the detailed stitching and the ultimate badging that's also on the seat. What could use improvement? Nothing. This is GM at its best. 3-liter inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, 305 horsepower, but 495 pound-feet of torque with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Towing, 8,700 pounds. Hauling, 1,380. 23 miles per gallon city, 27 on the highway for a combined of 24. I got 25.4 miles per gallon over 451.8 miles. If you're going to keep this thing for a while, you'll probably get your money back on the up pricing on the diesel engine. What I liked about it, smooth, quiet power with big torque. And what could use improvement? Nothing. Engine rocks. is my note. Ride and handling, smoother than you'd think for this massive thing. The tester was unloaded. In other words, I wasn't hauling anything and I wasn't towing anything. What could use improvement? Suspension adjustability. Base trim price, $82,500. Prices tested $85,400. Base model price $43,400 for the Pro entry-level version. The other entry-level versions include the Ford F-150 starting at $43,500, the Ram 1500 for $41,300, and the Toyota for $42,000. So, and that's my review of the 2024 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 1500 Diesel Crew Cab with the short box.
The only thing that does not appeal to me on that vehicle is the grille. They never have, through the whole life of that GMC version, the grille is my issue.
I agree with you. If you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address here is info@inwheeltime.com. We are back after this quick break.